Oh, that's the Meadow Trading Post. Coming up on where railroad trellis used to be. So the hump in the road up here. I'm going to the left and I'm going to stop. And I walked down it the other day. It goes right in between. It's loop 700 and 800. It stops. Right here. If you notice the gravel. Walk up a little ways. You can see the railroad ties. Like in the beginning. Hopefully you can see that well. Cruises right up through there. Stops in the woods. Picks up over by the parking lot by the buses where the people park their carts to go over to the parks. Right there. Old nostalgia. Early Disney. Anyway, never noticed that until the other day. Been here numerous times. And we'll go to the other side.